Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year.